Hello everyone. Today I am going to start the topic Factorization chapter 13, Factorizations of perfect square trinomial. That means some formula we have already learned in the previous classes. Let me recall, and related to the same I will solve some questions. Now see, first a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Even you can write this one as a square plus of 2ab plus of b square. Similarly, a square minus of 2ab plus of b square, or you may write a square plus of b square minus 2ab. And in last class you remember one more formula, which is what? X square minus of y square, that is x plus y and x minus y. Related to all these three, we have some questions, and that means if our expressions is in this form or this form, we can write in this form, then this is called factorizations of a perfect square trinomial. So see, I have one question. Example 1 is 4x square. See, 4x square plus of 12xy plus of 9y square, a perfect square trinomial. Asking the question, that means if this expression is either set either a or either in this form or this form, then this is called a perfect square trinomial. So check it. That means you can write 4x square, you may write 2x whole square plus 9y square, you may write 3y whole square. That means see, it is a square plus b square. That if 12xy will set in the form of 2ab, then it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So you may write 2 into a is 2x and b is 3x, and multiply it and check whether it will come 12xy or not. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12xy. So this is in this form. So it is in the form of a square and b square and 2 into a into b. So you may write a plus b whole square. In place of a it is 2x and b it is 3y whole square. So answer is yes. Okay. Same thing you can check. Second one is x square minus 6xy plus 36y square a perfect square trinomial or not. So let me check. Now see, it is given x square minus 6xy plus of 36y square. That means you can write x square plus of 36 6y whole square and minus of, it is in the minus, then it will become minus 2ab. So set 2 into a, it is x, into b, it is 6y, and check after multiplying it will come 6xy. Check, it will come x square minus of 12xy plus of what? 6y square. But this expression 12xy is not equal to 6xy. So minus 12xy is not equal to minus 6y. That's why we cannot set this in the perfect square. So answer will be no. Okay. Now after that we have how to factorize completely. That means for this factorizations either we can use this formula or this formula. Okay. Now see, let me solve factorizations completely a, b and c. Now see, that means see, first a part 8x cube minus of 18xy square. See, in both you can take the common of what? 2 and x you can take common. So it will be 4x square minus of 9y square. Okay. And after that you can write 2x and 4x square you may write 2x whole square, 3y 9y square you may write 3y whole square. Okay, and apply a square minus b square formula and write in this form. So 2x times of 2x minus 3y and 2x plus 3y, this is of your answer. In the same way, see the question number B. So B part C, this is 3x square plus 12x minus of 36. That means you can take 3 common in all. So after taking 3 common, it will x square plus of what? 4x minus of what? 12. And C, that means first you multiply x square with 12, that means minus 12x square, and factorize 4. After multiplying it will come what? It will come what? 4, how you can break 4? That means you can write 6 and minus 2. 6 into 2 will be 12 and 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2 will be 4. So you can write 3 of x square plus of 6x minus of 2x minus of 12. Take the common in between. So x will be common. So x plus of 6 minus 2 common, x plus of 6, and again x plus 6 are common. So x minus 2 and x plus 6. This is of your answer. Okay, now see the last question, C part. Now see, that means C part, it is given 16x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. That means you can write 16x to the power 4 2x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Even you can write 2x square of whole square minus of y square of whole square. That means it is the x square minus of y square form. So you may write x plus y. That means 2x square plus of y square, and then again you write 2x whole square minus of y square. That means you can write this one 4x square plus of y square, but again it is in the form of x square minus y square. Again break in this form, x square minus y square will be x plus y. That means 2x plus y and 2x minus y. This is of your answer. Okay. After this video, I will solve some questions exercise 13E. Okay, and then after from exercise F. Okay, now solve it. Thank you.